How do you make a sitz bath for hemorrhoids? In this video, we will go over how to make a sitz bath for optimal hemorrhoid relief. We'll talk about sitz bath recipes and other treatments you can use with a sitz bath. This is Jamie with Hemorrhoid Answers. If you're suffering from hemorrhoids, you might want to check out HemRid Max, doctor-recommended hemorrhoid pills that attack hemorrhoids fast. The link is in the description. Hemorrhoids can make life uncomfortable, itching, burning, rectal pain, and bleeding. These are all symptoms that come with this common anorectal disease. Going to the bathroom is difficult with hemorrhoids. Stools can be hard and abrasive, causing bleeding after a bowel movement. You might experience intense anal itching and discomfort when sitting down. A sitz bath is one of many solutions for hemorrhoid pain. You can use a tub or purchase a sitz bath that fits over the bowl of a toilet. A few popular recipes for sitz baths are: use warm water in combination with a half a cup of Epsom salt. Add witch hazel oil if desired. You can also add lavender oil or other herbal ingredients like horse chestnut, aloe vera, or tea tree oil. A sitz bath will reduce swelling and keep the anorectal area clean. Sitz baths will also temporarily help subside pain and other symptoms like swelling and itching. Use these remedies as well as taking a sitz bath for your hemorrhoids. OTC hemorrhoid medicines like creams and wipes, ice packs, hemorrhoid supplements, OTC pain relievers, hemorrhoid suppositories, hemorrhoid cushions. For ultimate hemorrhoid health, try HemRid Max. Visit www.hemrid.com for more information. Use coupon code HEM10 to get 10% off of your HemRid Max order.